Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, DVD audio, power tilting steering column, comfort suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,